Next, the sixth question. Graph of a linear polynomial is dash. This one is straight line. The next one is seventh question. If the order of A is 4 into 3 and order of B is 3 into 2, then the order of the product, then the order of the product AB is dash. This is the question. Solution. Order of A 4 into 3. Order of B 3 into 2. And order of AB is order of AB equal to 4 into 3 into 3 into 2. Then its answer is this one is this and also this one is this. So we find out AB equal to 4 into 2. 4 row and 2 column. So 4 into 2. This is the answer. AB is 4 into 2.